Welcome to Assessment Validation, a step-by-step guide for TAEASS413. This presentation simplifies practical vocational education and training skills, making validation accessible and actionable. Let's dive in and enhance your understanding. Validation is a quality review process, not just a meeting. It examines assessment tools, practices, and judgments to ensure decisions are backed by quality evidence. Validation can occur both before tools are used and after assessments, adhering to organizational requirements and planned arrangements. Validation occurs at two key moments: before and after assessment. Before, review tools for instructions, evidence requirements, and conditions. After, evaluate completed tools to ensure decisions are fair, consistent, and evidence-supported. Participate in assessment validation emphasizes active participation in validation. Prepare according to organizational requirements, review tools and judgments, and provide feedback. Record outcomes, actions, and recommendations while maintaining confidentiality and professionalism. Tool validation ensures assessment instructions, tasks, and benchmarks are appropriate before use. Judgment validation checks if the final decision is backed by valid, sufficient, authentic, and current evidence. Both are crucial for maintaining assessment integrity. Begin by gathering essential documents: the Unit of Competency, assessment requirements, and relevant training strategies. Include assessment tools, mapping, benchmarks, and completed samples if post-assessment. Ensure you have a validation plan, agenda, recording template, and relevant policies to facilitate a thorough review. Ensure the assessment tool aligns with unit requirements. Verify clarity in instructions for both candidates and assessors. Confirm conditions, resources, and equipment are specified. Check that evidence requirements are clear and the marking guide or benchmark is usable. Review the assessment process by ensuring it was conducted as planned. Verify if sufficient evidence was gathered and feedback recorded clearly. Confirm if another assessor would reach the same decision and check if gaps and adjustments were managed appropriately. The observation highlights unclear candidate instructions regarding required workplace documents. This poses a risk of inconsistent evidence submission and decision-making by assessors. To address this, revise the instructions and include a checklist of required documents before the next intake. Recording outcomes is crucial. Document what was reviewed, participant roles, evidence considered, issues found, agreed actions, and responsibilities with deadlines. This ensures accountability and clarity. Ensure the validation activity is led by someone with suitable experience. Participants should have relevant assessment knowledge, and vocational or industry expertise may be necessary. Always refer to the current credential policy, Australian Skills Quality Authority guidance, and organisational requirements for comprehensive compliance. Avoid common validation mistakes by focusing on evidence quality, not just formatting. Ensure tools align with unit requirements and document all decisions. Validate early to enhance future assessments, and view disagreements as opportunities for constructive review. Let's analyze these scenarios. In Scenario A, the mapping issue relates to the tool. Scenario B involves judgment, as the assessor's decision lacked thoroughness. Scenario C highlights a practice problem, as the assessment proceeded without necessary equipment. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for effective validation. Remember to plan by knowing what will be reviewed. Prepare by gathering the right documents. Review tools, practices, and judgments. Record findings and actions. Use findings to improve assessments. Follow up to ensure actions are completed. Utilize official sources like TGA website for up-to-date training products and Australian Skills Quality Authority for the 2025 Standards for Registered Training Organisations. Adhere to your registered training organisation's assessment system, validation plan, and reporting requirements. Subscribe for practical training and assessment and validation support.